Where do you live?
I live in Karachi.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ahmed.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where do you go to school?
I go to city school.
What color is your bag?
My bag is black.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in June.
Which sport do you like?
I like cricket.
What time is it now?
It is 5 o'clock.
Who teaches you English?
My teacher teaches me.
Where is your pen?
My pen is on the table.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Khan is my teacher.
What is in your pocket?
A key is in my pocket.
Where is your book?
My book is in my bag.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Which subject do you like?
I like English.
Who cooks food at home?
My mother cooks food.
What is your father's job?
He is a doctor.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is near the school.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Which game do you play?
I play football.
Who helps you with homework?
My brother helps me.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Where is your school?
It is in Lahore.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Sarah.
Who is your neighbor?
Mr. Ali is my neighbor.
What is in your bag?
Books are in my bag.
Which fruit is sweet?
Mango is sweet.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Where is your phone?
My phone is on the bed.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Who drives the car?
My father drives the car.
What is on the table?
A book is on the table.
Where is your home?
My home is in Multan.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Bilal.
Who teaches math?
Miss Aisha teaches math.
What is in your hand?
A pen is in my hand.
Where is the park?
The park is near my house.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the beach.
Who makes your clothes?
A tailor makes my clothes.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Doraemon.
Where is the shop?
The shop is on the corner.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Who is your uncle?
My uncle is Mr. Imran.
What is in your box?
Toys are in my box.
Which bird can talk?
A parrot can talk.
What is your cousin's name?
His name is Usman.
Who helps you at school?
My teacher helps me.
What is under your chair?
My shoes are under the chair.
Where is your class?
My class is upstairs.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Who is your friend?
My friend is Ali.
What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Where is the library?
The library is near the school.
What is in your room?
A bed is in my room.
Who writes books?
A writer writes books.
What is in the sky?
Stars are in the sky.
Where is the hospital?
The hospital is on Main Road.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Who washes clothes?
My mother washes clothes.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is potato.
Where is the bank?
The bank is next to the shop.
What is in the fridge?
Milk is in the fridge.
Who plays cricket?
My friends play cricket.
What is on your head?
A cap is on my head.
Where is the post office?
It is near the park.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
Who paints pictures?
An artist paints pictures.
What is in your wallet?
Money is in my wallet.
Which is your left hand?
This is my left hand.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Oxford School.
Who brings letters?
A postman brings letters.
What is your sister's name?
Her name is Aisha.
Where is the station?
The station is far from here.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Who drives the bus?
A driver drives the bus.
What is on your desk?
Books are on my desk.
Which fruit is red?
Apple is red.
What is your pet's name?
My pet's name is Tommy.
Who tells stories?
My grandmother tells stories.
What is in the cupboard?
Clothes are in the cupboard.
Where is your chair?
My chair is near the window.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Eid.
Who cleans the house?
My mother cleans the house.
What is in the basket?
Fruits are in the basket.
Where is the teacher?
The teacher is in the class.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a ball.
Who writes letters?
A student writes letters.
What is on the wall?
A clock is on the wall.
Which day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
Who sings songs?
A singer sings songs.
What is on the floor?
A mat is on the floor.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.
What is in the cage?
A bird is in the cage.
Who makes tea?
My sister makes tea.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Islamabad.
Which fruit is sour?
Lemon is sour.
What is in your mouth?
Candy is in my mouth.